How's it going, guys? This is Beard Made Reviews, and today I have a nice little carry option. It's older style, but newer in name and model. I'll take it out of the sheath right here. This is a Kershaw Iredale, and this is a 3-blade folder. No springs or anything like that to assist the blades out, kind of like what Kershaw is known for. This little guy's always a pain to get out. It's like that with any of these knives worth their weight and longevity. So I'm going to leave all that in there, just kind of so you can see what you're getting into. Anyway, it's all in good fun. So here again, we've got a 3-blade knife system, and this one's particularly special to me because my granddad always carried one of these on him. He would say that this knife right here was his general purpose whenever he'd go fishing or just needed to cut something open or whatever. This was his whittling knife, and this right here was a toothpick. I guess that's just the way he used to say. No, that's the way he was brought up. Anyway, so getting back into it, like I said, this is a Kershaw. You can see it right there. It does have a proprietary steel. This steel is a 4386, and you can see it's got the quality stamp for Kershaw. The wood is, I think, like a laminated type oak, maybe. Or cherry. I can't really remember what they said that was made out of. It does have brass pins. It's got the brass inlays and spine. It's got the reinforced steel backbone plates, I guess you would say. The reinforcement right there. This is like a brushed, like a 400 series stainless right here. Not the blades, like I said, they're like a proprietary steel. They're rust resistant and corrosion resistant, of course. That's what you get when you buy Kershaw, is quality. They hold an edge extremely well. I have not had to sharpen these just yet, but if you are a fan of Kershaw and know what I'm talking about, it's a good idea to sharpen them every once in a while after heavy use, because getting a edge back on these blades can be kind of problematic, especially if you don't have the fine-tuned whetstones and sharpening kit. All in all, I would give this blade setup a 10 out of 10. 1 for nostalgia, and it's just freaking cool. And I mean, you can't ask for a better pocket knife setup. especially if you're looking for that older factor. Price, I bought mine up in Tennessee at the Knife Works, Tennessee Knife Works, and I believe I gave about $35 at the time. You can pick this up on Amazon. At the time of shooting this video, you're looking at about $38. So if you want one of these just shipped to your house, you're looking at about $40. You know, that's not bad at all. I have not seen these in like local stores, Walmart and whatnot. So if you want to pick one up, Amazon's got them. Here again, it is a great tool to have in your everyday carry. But anyway, guys, this kind of concludes the review for this. Let me add this right quick. I had bought this whenever I was up at the Knife Works, and it is a fairly cheap option. I will say I went the cheap route on doing a fix for this right here, because this steel piece right here, this is not brass, it's steel. It will mar up the side of your knife, bringing it in and out. So you either want to place a piece of card or something right there to kind of buffer it, or you could glue a piece of velvet on the inside right there, and it will keep that finish nice for just a little bit longer. Picked this up for, I think it was about $5 or $6. It works good. It's good leather. I couldn't tell you a brand on it. They had just a bunch of them. If you take and order this, or you could probably look up the specs of how long it is. This is just a little bit longer whenever it's folded up and put in there. So if we take this, bring it down, kindly take and stick that down in there. You see it has just barely enough on the inside to clear. And you kind of want it to be tight like that. Less movement. But yeah. That's about it for this review. If you don't mind, leave a like, comment, and possibly subscribe. It'd help me out a whole lot. I do hope that y'all thoroughly enjoyed this. Maybe I taught you something along the way. And until next time, guys, thank you. See y'all.